Hi guys, I want to share to you my proposal. This is all about Puyat Sports, a bowling company here in the Philippines. Puyat Sports is a company in the Philippines with focus on bowling and billiards. This is known for owning and operating bowling and billiard centers. It's also exclusive a distributor of AMF bowling and billiards products in the Philippines. The company have a long history in the sports and entertainment industry in the Philippines. This company had over 60 employees in their 8 branches. This company serves many athletes and customers for over 37 years of service. And uh, for if you know Efrain Bata, they sponsored his playing time in the sports. He is and Paing Nepomuceno. They are well known in billiard and bowling sports. Uh, our first milestone, the deployment model we will uh, chosen is the private model because uh, the customer has no interaction with the system. It is we will choose SAS model. For this system is because it has no other local and hardware and software needed. The cloud design for this business, uh, it will use only 3 hardware and 1 software. The laptop or tablet, the POS printer, the internet provider's Wi-Fi, and the roller software. This is the bowling application. For now, this infrastructure diagram is the current system of each branch. The POS is connected to the personal computer, then to the modem for the transmission. For our uh, in, migration for the and the cloud service, this will need a dual connect to the Globe Telecom via we will connect through fiber optic through Globe Telecom or PLDT. Our speed is up to 300 Mbps. No more than that because it's only numbers and few data will be transmitted. Now this is when we migrated to the cloud. This is the new system. All the tablet and the POS will be connected to the uh, cloud. In the cloud will be all the process. The application software is connected to the cloud that will use in the tablet of each branches. For research, we we will meet uh, the key holders of the company like CEOs, the presidents, and branch managers. The baseline of this company is just like what I said earlier. Their personal computers are installed in the front desk, and they are only using Microsoft Office to encode the data every day. For the specific usability, when we migrate to the clouds, tablet, we will use tablet for less consumption than the personal computer. And also, this will be less expense for the maintenance. Hmm. Okay, the capital expenditures of our company will be first the computer hardware, the PC, or the the laptop, the POS, and the modem. And there are no other infrastructure repairs for the company. Our operational expenditure for the rent of the place of the each centers, bowling centers and billiard centers. Addition to these operational expenditures, the employee salaries, the utility payments, and others. Also, the personal expenditure included software licenses in uh, tablet and the monthly subscription of the bowling application. We will use For the cloud vendor, we will use the Cloudflare. We will use only the free account because uh, because we will, we will when we subscribe to the roller software, it will proxy we will proxy it to the Cloudflare. Then this will be our licensing and variable and fixed costs. Why we choose Cloudflare? Even though it is not a replacement of web hosting, the Cloudflare will copy the important files to the nearest zone that you are located for the faster access. And secondly, it is free to use. Even though it is not for beginners, it is easy to learn. And lastly, it is speeds up the experience and protect our website. For industrial base, the FIRMA, HIPAA, FINRA, and GLB are not applicable in the Philippines. Bangko Sentral of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP is the institution that regulates the financial and banking services. We have the Data Privacy Act of 2012 that governs both the handling and of personal data within the country. That's all.